Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all few random moments which we spent at home and also few recipes which I made during this week. Now these recipes include chicken cocktail. This is a very simple starter which I use chicken and few ingredients which are easily available at home. So do watch it and try it next time when you have guests at home. I also made Kerala puttu, which is one of my favorite breakfast items. If you like this, do ask me for this recipe. I'll be sharing it later on. This puttu is kind of like a steamed rice cake. Normally people have it with chickpeas curry or non-veg curry, but I like it sweet. I prefer having it with bananas and sugar. I also made egg curry, and on top of it I added some cheese. This goes very well with the breakfast items like roti, naan and also sandwich. So do watch this video till the end and try these recipes. Now we will get into the preparations of chicken cocktail. So for that I took some finely chopped chicken, adding some homemade ginger garlic paste to this, also adding some lime juice. Now into this goes little bit of turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, little black pepper, oregano and also salt as per the requirement. Mix all these ingredients very well and marinate the chicken at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to cook the chicken. So we'll take some olive oil in the pan and cook this chicken in the low flame at least for 20 minutes. Since we marinated it, it gets cooked faster. If you feel there is requirement of adding some water to it, do add water and see that the chicken is not burnt at the bottom. Keep checking in between. While the chicken is getting ready, we'll prepare the sauces. So for that I took some plain mayonnaise, added some turmeric powder and red chilli powder to this. Mixed it very well. I also have some Nando's peri peri sauce at home, so I'm using it. Into this I'm also adding some chili sauce. If you don't have chili sauce, you can use some tomato sauce and also chili flakes. Now mix all these ingredients very well. Now it's time to prepare the cocktail. For that I took a wider cup. If you have smaller cups at home, you can go for it. Adding 2 tablespoons of sauce and spreading it all over the cup. After spreading the sauce, we can add veggies and chicken in layers. Here I'm using some lettuce leaves, coriander leaves and also some chopped carrots. If you have more veggies, go for them. Keep spreading them in layers and add some sauce in between. I love trying these kind of recipes. They're simple and different. Especially when we have guests at home and we serve these kind of recipes, they'll be very happy. Do try this recipe and don't forget to share your feedback. Now before starting the eggs and cheese recipe, I was just peeping into Aryan's exercise routine. Sometimes it's really good to watch his workout. Now getting into the preparations of the egg curry, it's a simple procedure which we normally make. For that I'm taking some onions and chopping them fine. Depending on the gravy requirements, you can use as many onions you want to. After chopping the onions, we'll take some oil in the pan. You can use any cooking oil you want to. When the oil is ready, start adding the onions and also the green chilies. If you have some curry leaves at home, do use them. The flavors of curry leaves in the egg curry is awesome. Now adding some salt and also dry fenugreek leaves, which are called as kasturi methi. Stir all these ingredients very well and let them cook in the low flame for some time, at least till the onions get cooked. They might turn slightly golden brown in color. Now we can start adding other ingredients. I'm adding some homemade ginger garlic paste into this. Mix it well. Now into this goes some red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and also some garam masala. Mixing all these ingredients very well. Now at this point adding few chopped tomatoes into this. Again this depends on your requirements as to how many tomatoes you want to add. Mix all these ingredients very well and leave them in the low flame for few minutes. If you want, at this point you can close the lid and let the tomatoes cook in the low flame. After a couple of minutes we can see that the tomatoes are cooked, so we can add a little water to this because we need some gravy for the curry. So we'll add some water and again leave it for a few minutes in the low flame. Now the gravy is ready. We can add eggs into this. I'm breaking the eggs and adding them straight away. After closing the lid and cooking it for 2 minutes, we can spread some cheese on top of these eggs. It gives some extra taste and flavors. This particular recipe goes very well with all the breakfast items like rotis, naan and bread. Do try these recipes and share it with your friends and family. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another vlog.